Adding background music in iMovie is important for several reasons. Background music can set the tone and evoke specific emotions in your video. It can enhance the mood whether you want to create excitement, tension, nostalgia, or relaxation. Music can captivate your audience and hold their attention, making your video more engaging and enjoyable to watch. Music can help smooth transitions between clips, scenes, or segments of your video, making it feel more seamless and polished. Music can complement and enhance the storytelling in your video. It can underscore important moments, highlight key themes, or create a sense of continuity. Background music can help mask distracting or unwanted background noise in your video, improving overall audio quality. Music can add an extra layer of aesthetic appeal to your video, elevating its overall quality and professionalism. In summary, background music in iMovie is a powerful tool for enhancing the emotional impact, engagement, storytelling, and overall quality of your videos. It plays a crucial role in creating a memorable and immersive viewing experience for your audience. I will go into how your students can enhance their video with background music. Tap the plus sign to import audio from your iPad's library. Tap on audio to select music from your iPad's music library or iMovie's built-in soundtracks. There are a large number of built-in soundtrack options available. Tap on a soundtrack to sample the audio. To add the audio to your timeline, tap on the plus sign. iMovie will automatically fade in and fade out the music based on the length of your movie. If you add another video clip to your timeline, the soundtrack will automatically adjust the music to match the length of your new timeline.